In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the EA Super 8. On my FBS account for months, and zounds, it's supercharged my stake to plus 990.86% gains with the panache of a parodic powerhouse. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that turns 8 into infinite, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Super 8 sensation of scalps. Ah, the zip folder for the EA Super 8 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the EA Super 8 to EURUSD's H1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs. Merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the EA Super 8 parades its plus 990.86% absolute gain escapade on FBS, ballooning deposits into $12.37 balance with $999.99 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 10.63% chuckles, monthly 999.86% guffaws, equity curve of bemused descent lampooning manual traders flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning 18 trades with solid winners, way above the 60% benchmark for multi-pair bots that chase wild swings. Average win? Juicy pips and dollars per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the EA Super 8's built-in updated version and backtest-friendly logic that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net profit massive. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile pairs without overtrading. Drawdowns only 99.93% relative but absolute controlled. So even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor high more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Commissions? Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for H, 1 entries. This month's analytics, steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 990% plus hauls without the heart attacks, this EA Super 8 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the EA Super 8 on MT4 with ticks from September 2025 data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $13,309.29, gross profits $27,883.65, edging out losses of negative $14,574.36 for that clean edge. 198 trades total. Win rate high overall. Average trade netting positive with max drawdown low absolute. Quick scalps, no drama. Perfect for live confidence. So wrapping this up, if the EA Super 8 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting EA Super 8 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.